Hello folks, in today's vlog we have started from Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh and will be covering up to Tirthan Valley which is few kilometers ahead from Banjar, and we will go via Mandi and Pandor Dam. If you have travelled on this route before, you might be knowing Mandi and Pandor Dam. You can witness this board. While travelling from Mandi towards Ot Tunnel, you can take a deep break at this point. Hello! This place offers you scenic views of Beas River surrounded with valleys all around. You can click some good pictures also. And this is Ot Tunnel, and after crossing this tunnel you go for Kullu and Manali. But today we will drive straight towards Tirthan Valley via Banjar. And Banjar is 21 kilometers from this point. And you can see the milestone. Just watch out the milestone in the distance. We will also cover Jalori Pass, which is 42 kilometers from here, but I guess 10 to 15 kilometers from Tirthan in some other direction. I think the direction separates from Banjar or somewhere, so let's see. And while traveling to Tirthan Valley, just make sure that you will not get any sort of information about Tirthan, where is Tirthan, how much kilometer left, as rarely someone knows about Tirthan Valley. I guess they might be knowing from some other name or something, but wherever and whenever I asked, no one answered to me about where is Tirthan Valley or how much kilometers are left or something like this. So don't panic and just travel towards Banjar, and after Banjar take a left turn to Tirthan Valley. Now let me tell you something about Banjar and Tirthan Valley. Banjar is a town in the district Kullu of Himachal Pradesh. It is a part of Siraj region that extends from Jalori Pass till Shikari Devi. The Tirthan Valley is also a part of Banjar region, as Banjar town is its main marketplace in Tirthan Valley. Tirthan Valley is major river of Banjar along with the tributary Pushtu Pahad flowing from Jalori Pass through Jibhi. Tirthan Valley is the main gateway to Great Himalayan National Park. Whoa, finally we are here. Almost we are in Tirthan Valley. Our guest house is 5 kilometers ahead from this point. Compared to other destinations of Himachal, this valley is still well preserved and offers perfect environment for those who are looking for a peaceful holiday. Look at this board, Tirthan Wildlife Range. While traveling to Tirthan, when you find this forest green board ahead and this leopard looking at you, be sure you have entered Tirthan. Look at this. So, what a peaceful place. No? Oh, leopard. You will be fascinated by the quaint aspect of traditional architecture of Tirthan Valley. The welcoming atmosphere in the villages and good mood of peoples will leave your mind with a lot of sweet memories, believe me. The Tirthan Valley has plenty of hidden gems, and so it will allow you to enjoy various activities such as relaxation, day hikes, multi-day treks or trout angling. You can also experience camping in the wild without having to trek. This will allow you to enjoy the Himalayan wilderness and fall asleep under the stars. Look at this orange tree. There are lots of oranges in the tree. This is something cool when you find some fruit trees in Himachal or Upper Himalayas. See the scenic view, enjoy it. As a fragile gem of Himachal Pradesh, the Tirthan Valley may be threatened by mass tourism. In order to conserve this area, Himalayan ecotourism promotes a more responsible tourism and offers activities that respect the environment with a professional team, always ready to help you. In any sort of problem, you can contact the office that was near the green board I showed you in this video earlier. So here comes my homestay, and the most exciting part is it's on the river side. We have 2 days at this place and we booked this house for 2 days, so it's a home for next 2 days. It's made of wooden, I mean full house is made of wooden. It's exciting for us to be here for next 2 days and enjoy this wildlife area. And a big thanks to Akshat, my junior from NIT Hamirpur and a best buddy, who helped me every time when I am here in Kullu or Manali. Thank you, Akshat. I will show you the next day things in the next vlog. Till then, enjoy this bonfire and enjoy the night. Bye bye, Tata, keep supporting. After a long chit chat, Bonfire is also telling us to go and sleep. So good night guys, bye bye, take care.